Okay, so now coming lecture number 2, we'll see changing decimal fractions to common fraction. In lecture number 1 we have seen changing common fraction to decimal fraction. Now we'll see changing decimal fraction to common fraction. So come to example number 24. Question is convert decimal 7, decimal 1/4, decimal 0.9, decimal 736 and decimal 002 into what? Common fraction. See solution. So there are 4 to 5 questions is there. So how you will do? Very easy. It's very easy question. So first decimal 7 is there. So nothing. 7 is there. Only one number. So that 7 write in numerator. Okay. Whatever number will be there in numerator, you have to write down without any thinking. Now decimal after only one number. So take this decimal as a 1. Now see after decimal only one number. So put 1 0. Oh, come to question number 2. Decimal 1/4. See 14 is there. Whatever number you find in numerator that you have to write. Now first decimal take it as 1. After decimal 2 numbers put 2 0. Oh, come to number 3. Decimal 7 sorry decimal 0 9. So only 9 is there. 0 no value. When 0 is after any number numeral then you can write. So decimal take 1. After decimal 2 numbers put 0. Or decimal 736. So what are the number? 736. So whatever number is there again I am telling try to write it in numerator form. Whatever number you find just write in numerator. So decimal take 1 and after decimal 3 number put 1 2 3. Over. Come to question number 5. Decimal 002. So 2 is there. Before 2 no value of 0. If after 2 0 will be there then value is there. So take decimal as 1. After decimal 3 number 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Over. So this is your answer. Now we come to example number 25. Now we have to convert now. Okay, now you have to convert express 2 decimal 3, 1 decimal 09 and 14 decimal 125 as equivalent common fraction. So 101 will see first we will see the solution 2 decimal 3. So see here number is 23. Forget about decimal. So whatever number they have try to write in numerator. Now see before decimal one number and after decimal also number. So first there is decimal, take decimal as 1. So always we count the number after decimal, not before decimal. Okay, so we will not count the number before decimal. We will count how many number left after decimal. So after decimal one number, so 1 name. Okay, not before, after. Question number 2, 1 decimal 09. So here 1 and 9 will write. See here why I have told you do not to write 0 because before 0 there was no number. If before 0 was any number then you can write. Here 109 I can write. Take decimal as 1. After decimal 2 numbers so 20. You can change it into mixed fraction also like 10 whole 2 whole 3 by 10 and this 1 whole 9 by 100. Come to question number 3. 14 decimal 125. So try to write 14 125. Decimal 1 after decimal 3 number. So you can change it into mixed fraction also. So 14 whole 125 by 100. Now you can cut it also by the table of 5, by the table of 8. Okay, 8 or 25. Just go it for sorry 1000 is there. I have written 14 whole whole 100, so 20, 125 one time, 125, 125 by 1000. Final answer is 14 whole 1 by 8. This is your final answer. So with the help of this example, you can easily solve exercise 55. Now I will go for example sum for exercise for example 26. So now come to example number 26. Express 25 rupees 9 paise in term of rupee. Means you have to express 25 rupee and 9 paise into rupees. So very easy, see solution. So rupees 25, okay, plus 9 paise. So rupees 25, you have to change into rupees. This is already in rupees. So we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise and 1 paise is equal to what? 100 rupees. 1 by 100 rupees. So divide by 100 and it will change into what? It will change into rupee. Now rupees 25 change it to decimal form. So decimal 09. Now add it. So rupees 25 decimal 09. Come to example number 27. You have to express 9 meters, okay, 9 meters 78 centimeter into meter. That you have to convert into meter. So see solution. So 9 meter and 78 centimeter is there. So this is already in meter. You have to change into centimeter. This into meter. So 9 meter plus 78 by 100 meter. Okay, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. So that's why centimeter into meter. That's why I have divided. So 9 meter plus decimal 78 meter. Add it 9 decimal 78 meter. Next 28. 32 kg 25 gram. Example number 28. 32 kg and 25 gram. We have to change into kg. Come to solution. 32 kg 25 gram. 32 kg plus 25 by 1000 kg. Because we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. And 1 gram is equal to 1 by what? 1000 kg. So when you change gram into kg, you have to divide it by 1000. 32 kg plus change into decimal 0 decimal 25. Because here is 4 numbers. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now add 32 decimal 0 to 5 kg is your what? Answer. Now question number, example number. We will move to now example number 29. Nothing you have to do. Whatever. This you have already known that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. That you know already. So now come to example number 29. In example number 29, we have to express 29 liter 8 milliliter. 29 liter 8 milliliter into liter. See solution. 29 liter and 8 milliliter. So see, this is already in liter. So need not to change. This we need to change only in liter. So we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. And 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. So see, when we change liter into milliliter, we multiply it. And when we change milliliter into liter, we divide by 1000. So here we are changing milliliter into liter. So what we will do? We will divide. Then it will change into liter. Now see, 29 liter plus. Now do division. So there is 4 numbers. There is only 1 number. So see, 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, and this 8 is 4 number. You can divide and you can check it. Now add. So 29 decimal 008 liter is your answer. So with the help of this example, you can easily solve exercise 56. So this chapter is also over. Now in next classes, I will move for chapter 12. That is geometry. So please, I will tell you, read about this chapter, read about line, segment, ray, angle. I will explain.